1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So that's basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body leap. 1, 2, 3. Follow open hands. 5, 6, 7. We're going to give her a walk through 1.5 left. So we open up the slot. 1, 2, 3. On 4, we're going to keep going over the head as we spin on the left leg. 4. The elbow's going to go up as I start facing for 5. I'm going to catch you with my right hand as I finish facing 6, 7. Now we're going to get off the slot, catch the left hand underneath. 1, start turning to the right, both hands over the head. 2, 3, touch and go. Now on 5, I'm going to step to the side to Misdirection at 5. I'm going to start bringing it forward 6. Now on 7, the right arm's going to stay low, the left arm's going to start wrapping over the head. 7. So now I'm going to make her prep in place on 1. Now I'm going to switch to the other side. 2. So now we're going to let go of the right hand, and the left hand's going to pull directly down. On 3 to start turning her to the right. We finish the basic 5, grab the shoulder, 6, push pull, 7. Start getting off the slot. So now guys, we're going to start turning to the left as we turn on 1. 1, keep turning to the left. 2, we go over our head. 3, over her head on 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Walk through 1.5 left. Forward 1, 2, turn 3, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to go forward on 1. Start turning to the right on 2, 3. Take a pull, turn to the right. Then have to turn on 5. Go forward up to the direction on 6. And start turning 7. Now you're going to grip on 1, 1. You're going to go to the other side on 2. You're going to go full spin on 3. Step on 5, 6, 7. Now 2.5 left. Turn right away on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Press my knee. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.